Hey everyone, as you might know, Hacktoberfest is going on right now. Hacktoberfest is an annual event hosted by DigitalOcean that aims to encourage developers to contribute to open source projects and give back to the community. With all that said, you must be pretty excited to participate. We understand that it can be pretty daunting for beginner developers to contribute in open source, especially with blockchain. With that in mind, we are starting an open source project where we'll be gathering smart contract templates for popular use cases. This includes NFT marketplaces, airdrops, or anything else that you can think of. You can also work alone or collaborate with your friends and try to put your own smart contract templates for everything you feel is just painful to work on again and again. We'll be adding few template ideas as issues that you can take it up if you like. You can also add your own suggestions as issues. You can comment and create issues on the existing contracts as well. We'll be actively participating and helping you throughout the month. You can reach out to us in the comment section or on Twitter. We'll be posting updates soon. All the relevant links are in the description. See you on GitHub.